Welcome to our online body piercing training course overview. This is a sneak peek of the online back end. Our courses are meticulously crafted, offering step-by-step instructions. There are many lessons to ensure we cover all aspects of the piercing industry. Our course is designed for both beginners and experienced practitioners. Here, you'll learn everything from the basics to advanced techniques in a supportive and professional environment. No prior experience in piercings? No worries. Many of our successful students started with a blank canvas. Body piercing is not just an art, it's a science that requires precision, care, and a deep understanding of anatomy and safety protocols. Get acquainted with the latest piercing equipment and tools, understanding their unique roles in creating flawless results. From anesthetics to jewelry, we'll guide you through the essentials, ensuring you're confident in every procedure. Body piercing is not just an art, it's a science that requires precision, care, and a deep understanding of anatomy and safety protocols. From client consultations, managing bookings, to aftercare advice, we ensure you're prepared to handle all aspects of the piercing business. Master the art of showcasing your work. Learn about piercing photography, creating portfolios, and promoting yourself on social media. Safety first, we emphasize the importance of maintaining a sterile environment, ensuring the well-being of both you and your clients. From tools to jewelry, learn how to select the right equipment for each piercing type, ensuring both style and safety for your clients. Your learning journey kicks off as soon as you sign up. Engage with many hours of online theory training, complemented by practical assignments to test your newfound knowledge. If you order a piercing kit from us, we'll ensure it reaches you promptly, allowing you to practice as you learn. Continue your learning with additional online content, diving deeper into advanced piercing techniques and industry secrets. In just a few weeks, you'll be ready to receive your well-earned certificates, marking your entry into the world of body piercing. For those of you in or willing to travel to New Zealand, we offer an in-person training course for a more hands-on learning experience. It's a fantastic opportunity to immerse yourself fully and get direct feedback from our experienced trainers. Join the ranks of our successful graduates, hear their stories, and see how our course has propelled their careers in body piercing. Join us and let's redefine beauty standards together. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future content.